Uh, Vacation to Mexico, Barbie style. Episode 2, Season 1. We're finally here. My personal maids were not your maids for the last dang time. Okay, well, can you please get out of my limousine? Your limousine? Yeah, I bought it. Oh, okay. Maybe this isn't gonna be as bad as it seems. Yeah, right. Yeah, it's gonna be horrible. I just know it. We can work this out. Let's be friends! Oh my god. No way I'm staying here with these idiots. Hey! Like, seriously. It's so hot in Mexico. Isn't it in the middle of Antarctica? Like, seriously. I'm hot. I should have brought something. I didn't know. So, do you personal maids, did you clean my room before I got here? No! We're not your maids. Can I keep the pet? And sadly, no. Okay. Sadly, I'm also going with you. Just wait until. What? This is a nightmare. I never wanted this to happen. Do you think I wanted it either? No one's escaping. Well, I'm is far, far away. Come on. I know, right? Well, let's go upstairs. Maybe it's not as bad as it seems. You're telling me that? Oh, I'm gonna go find a room right now. Ooh, how about this bed? For 3 people, too. I'll use this to get up. Well, I am tired. I guess I'm sharing a bed with this dork. Hey, can I sleep with you guys? Of course you can. I don't really care. This is a disaster. Where am I supposed to find a bed? Oh, there's a bed. Fell off the bed. Ever. So, is it really gonna be the worst ever? Find out on part 2 when they wake up in the middle of the night.